In the modern world of manufacturing, staying aligned and informed is critical for success. Every second counts, and having access to the right data at the right time can mean the difference between staying on schedule and facing costly delays. That's why we've made it easier than ever to get critical data to your team, exactly when you need it. With One-Source, you no longer have to sift through multiple platforms, spreadsheets, or reports. All your key reports, data, and metrics are centralized in one place. Imagine walking into your daily huddle meeting, knowing everything is right at your fingertips. One-Source makes it easy to access the most important information, whether it's yesterday's production numbers, current machine status, or quality metrics, so your team is aligned and ready to take on the day. But manufacturing is dynamic, and things don't always go as planned. When KPIs don't meet expectations, SQUEAKS allows you to instantly share the issue with your team, bringing immediate visibility to potential problems. You can loop the right people into the conversation right away, whether you're on the shop floor or in the office. With One-Source's seamless integration with SQUEAKS, reviewing performance, addressing issues, and sharing insights with your team is effortless, all from one place whenever you need it. This kind of visibility and collaboration isn't just about solving today's problems. It's about empowering your team to stay proactive, focused, and aligned every day. By providing real-time updates and instant alerts, One-Source and SQUEAKS give your team the tools to act quickly, collaborate efficiently, and drive continuous improvement.